All right, guys, so your assignments for today, Tuesday, September 29th, are pretty straightforward. We'll start with social studies. There is no reading to go with this one today because this is just reading. There's no questions. So it's just 2 sections of reading. It should take you about 10 minutes, but please do make sure you go in there and read those things, those 2 lessons on the link. So all you do is click that and it will take you right there. For science, pretty straightforward. You get your warm-up in EduSmart. Make sure you do the warm-up and watch the video. Remember, you can do them at the same time. You should be making hundreds on the warm-up because you should not be submitting the warm-up until you've watched the video and you're able to change any answers. So I would suggest either doing the warm-up but not submitting it and then watching the video, or like I've said before, you can open them at the same time in 2 different tabs and do number 1 and then watch number 1 and then pause your video and then just kind of go back and forth. Okay, you do have an EduSmart assignment. It's called Circuits Part 2. If you did not do Circuits Part 1 yesterday, please make sure you go in and do that. Okay, because I know I had some complaints about the website. Hopefully it'll let you in today if it did not let you in yesterday. And then remember, on the EduSmart, they are still working on the website. And so if it's going to tell you that things are past due and not completed, even though you have completed them. So just know that when I pull my report, I am just going to look at the time that you spent on the lesson, because it will actually show me if you spent 5 minutes or 10 minutes or what. So as long as you are doing the EduSmart assignments, you'll get credit for them, regardless of whether or not the website says that they are past due. So don't worry about that. So you have a warm-up and EduSmart lesson. Study stack for the week is here. Make sure you study all the flashcards. And then you have this, you're going to do the ed puzzle first. So you're going to do this ed puzzle first. Remember, you just click the link. It's a video of me talking to you, showing you different kinds of circuits, and then you've got questions within the video. Then last, you're going to go do some circuit practice. So after you learn about open and closed circuits, then you'll do your practice. So make sure you do this part last. And it's just a Google slide. And remember, it makes a copy for you when you open it. And then there's directions on each one. So the first slide is a card sort. And you're just going to sort each item based on whether it's an open circuit or a closed circuit. And so the word cards, you'll read them, and if they are describing an open circuit, you put them here. If they describe a closed circuit, put them here. Same with the pictures. Then the next 3 slides, so 2 through 4, you are looking at pictures of the circuits, and then you're going to drag an X or a check over there to tell me whether or not the light bulb will light. So I'll do this one with you. So let's see. Our battery is correct. We've got 1 wire going in the positive and a wire going in the negative. I'm going to trace it with my cursor. Remember, it needs to go through the light bulb. Whoops. It needs to go through the light bulb, which it does. And if there's a switch, the switch must be closed, which it is. And then I should be able to get to the other side of the battery without any gaps or breaks. So there are no gaps or breaks in the circuit. The light bulb is attached correctly. Battery and switch are closed. So that means this light bulb would light. Okay, so you're just doing that for each picture. There's 6 pictures total. And you're not going to use every check and X. I just put a bunch of extras there. But you're not going to use every single one. All right, so that's what you're doing for those. And then remember, these save automatically, so you just need to exit out. And that's it for today.